Welcome back to Money Unlocked, your go-to channel for building real income online. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an opportunity to grow your money. In our first video, we shared 5 powerful passive income streams that can generate monthly revenue for you, even while you sleep. Today, we're diving deeper into the second income stream from that list, print-on-demand stores. If you haven't seen our first video yet, head over to our channel and check it out. It's full of ideas that can help you build sustainable income online. What is print-on-demand? So what exactly is print-on-demand? It's a business model where you create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters, and a third-party supplier prints and ships the product to your customer whenever an order is placed. You don't need to hold any inventory, and there's zero upfront investment for stock. That's what makes it an ideal passive income source for beginners in 2025. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. 1. Create a free store on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Redbubble. 2. Upload your product designs using a print-on-demand app like Printful or Printify. 3. Promote your store using social media, ads, or SEO, and whenever someone orders, the supplier prints and ships it for you. You only focus on creating designs and driving traffic. The rest is automated. Why start in 2025? 2025 is actually the perfect year to start a print-on-demand store. Why? More people are shopping online than ever. Personalization is trending. And thanks to AI and design tools, you don't even need to be an artist to succeed. Plus, tools like Canva, Midjourney, or ChatGPT can help you create professional designs and product descriptions without hiring anyone. Here's your step-by-step guide to launch your own print-on-demand store today. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a niche like fitness, pets, or quotes, something you're interested in. The more specific, the better. Step 2. Create your store. Use Shopify or Etsy to set up your storefront. Shopify offers a free trial and is very beginner-friendly. Step 3. Design your products. Use tools like Canva to design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, anything. Then upload them into Printify or Printful. Step 4. Connect your store to a pod app. Once your products are ready, connect your store to Printify or Printful. They'll handle printing, packaging, and shipping. Step 5. Market your store. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even Pinterest to show off your designs. You can also run paid ads or use SEO if you're targeting Etsy. Step 6. Get paid. Every time someone orders, you make a profit margin, typically $8 to $15 per product, and the supplier does all the work. Here are a few quick tips to maximize your chances of success. 1. Focus on trending niches. 2. Upload 10 to 20 designs to start. 3. Use high-quality product mockups. 4. Offer limited-time discounts to drive urgency. And remember, consistency is key. The more effort you put in, the more passive income you'll earn in return. That's how you start a print-on-demand store in 2025, even with zero experience. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and drop a comment telling us what niche you plan to target. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Unlocked. This is just our 3rd video, and we're bringing you more high-value, beginner-friendly content every week. Stay tuned and start unlocking your income today.